Hello, beautiful. So today I wanted to show you what I got in my Be Rare goodie bag, I guess you will. So this was extra added on to our ticket. It's worth $2,000 for everything in here. And I just got it, I think I got it today. But yeah, I got this huge, gigantic box. Look how big it is. And I thought I would unbox it with you. Well, that was a very high pitch. So let's get started. Oh, my dog doesn't like that though, okay. So let's just dig in. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let me see if I could show the inside of this. Like, this is so full. We have a curling wand. This thing is huge. And this is from the company Luxie Hair. Oh, I've heard of Luxie Hair. Ooh, there's a little card in here. A soft, bouncy, touchable curl. It's the luxury signature. Wow. It's actually pretty nice looking, very lightweight. And then it comes with a little mat and a glove. I want to see what's in this little pink thing because it looks really cute. Oh, House of Lashes in a cute pink bag. Lash dreams come true. I hope we got lashes because I did get lash glue from House of Lashes recently and I really liked it. What do we have here? Ooh, we have a mini eyelash adhesive. It says in dark. Ooh, I was actually gonna get dark eyelash glue. I got white, the white eyelash glue of House of Lashes, and you can see it sometimes. This is cool. So we got a little mini eyelash glue in dark. Oh, that's so cool. They gave us a pair of lashes. These are really cute. In this box, Benji's like, who are you talking to? Huh? Are you thinking that? Do you think that I'm crazy? You think that I'm crazy? Well, it's okay. I think you're crazy too. So high five. High five? Yeah. This is from Glow Skin Beauty. It says resurface and smooth a retinol plus C smoothing peel. Ooh. I just learned yesterday that chemical peels are really, really good for wrinkle prevention. Give your self-care ritual a professional upgrade. Retinol is also really good for anti-aging, to prevent wrinkles. This looks pretty intense. Like they gave us like a lab kit in here. Whoa, oh my goodness, it's a whole lab. They gave us a whole lab kit in here. That's so cool. I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna give myself an at-home chemical peel. That's expensive, Benji. What's it? Oh, they gave us mask. Whoa, hello. Feel this. Feels nice. It's like half silk, half cotton. Kind of small. Ooh, we got something from Huda Beauty. This is the legit lashes. That's so cool that they gave us this because I hear legit lashes are really good, like legitimately. This is an award winner. That's awesome. They're giving us some good stuff. This is from Youth to the People. I do like Youth to the People. I've tried 1 or 2 products from them. This is a Kale and green tea, spinach, vitamins, superfood cleanser, and it is gigantic. Wow, this is a really heavy bottle. Let's see if this smells like anything. I probably won't be able to smell. Yeah, I can't smell. It smells clean, kind of. Oh, you don't like it? Okay, Benji doesn't like it. Brightening serum cream. I love, those are my favorite types of skincare, is brightening products. I love brightening products. This has broad spectrum SPF 30. So it's got 24-hour moisture, serum, and sunscreen. It's for dull and uneven skin. It replaces your daily moisturizer, serum, and sunscreen. That's so cool. Ooh, we have something from Too Faced. This is a high shine sparkling lip gloss. I've never, just kidding, I have tried a Too Faced lip product before. Oh my god, their packaging is so cute. Look at the packaging. Too Faced makes nice packaging. Ooh, let's try this out. That's pretty. Very shimmery. We have Covergirl. It says new shade on the top. Light Warm Custom Nude. What is this? It can last for 24 hours. All day lip color. Gives you beautiful color that can last. I don't know if this is my color. Why do we have two things here? Yeah, this definitely does not look like my kind of color. Maybe this is a primer? That's cool. I like that. This is Zitstica. These are Hydrogel Exfoliating Sheet Mask. It soothes breakouts, unclogs pores, and smooths uneven textures. Oh, wow. 5 masks in here. That's so cool. I've never heard of this brand before. I've also never heard of exfoliating sheet mask. Ooh, we got something from YSL. Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent? Yves Saint Laurent? Night Reboot Serum. Get your daily pure shot of renewing care. A gentle exfoliating bi-phase serum. Lots of exfoliation stuff in here. Oh, here we have a Puma hat. Love the color. Puma hat. I actually really like that. We got something from Adore Me. No way. These are press-on nails. Oh my god, these look really long. These are from Macart. This I am excited for. This is the Sol de Janeiro. Oh, actually it's a hair. It's for your hair. What exactly are you? It is a super nourishing triple butter treatment to transform, dramatically repair, and replenish dry, damaged hair. This is a hair treatment. I'm excited for this. I got something from Glow Recipe. Everybody keeps talking about Glow Recipe. This is an avocado melt retinol sleeping mask. It's moisturizing and firming for dry to normal skin. Or you can use it as a wash-off mask. The jar is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's Benji approved. We got another mask. Whoa, is this a mask? This is kind of sexy. This is really comfortable. It feels so snug. Look at this sexy mask. It looks like lingerie. We have another thing from Youth to the People. It's another serum to brighten and firm and depuff. It brightens the complexion, reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, evens tones, and firms the look of skin. I love that. I have to say though, they did give us a lot of serums. Would love to use all of them, but it depends on how long they last. This is from Yo Glow. It's an enzyme scrub. There's a lot of skincare in here, but it's a scrub, an enzyme scrub. I think it's more of an exfoliator then. Whoa, the packaging is really cool. What's this? Ooh, I've been wanting to try something from La Mer. La Mer? It's a moisturizing soft cream. I'm gonna look up what this, specifically what this one's good for before I open it. The Happiness Planner. Ooh, this is cool. We have tampons. I haven't used tampons in forever, but these are from, I can't pronounce it, Rael? Glow Capsule Lotion from Hand Skin. Even Skin Tone Boost Radiance Vita Capsule. I've never heard of this brand before, Hand Skin. It's an ultra lightweight lotion, fast absorbing hydration. Vitamin C helps boost skin radiance and create a brighter, more even looking complexion. I have seen these, I think because Michelle Phan advertises it a lot as well, but I see a lot of advertisements for doe lashes, and I've also seen their patches. This is to heal pimples overnight. They're so cute. I love these, but I don't ever get pimples. I might have to give these away. These are cute. We have something from Color Addict, One Day contact lenses. It's called Lychee Gray. Wow, that's so cool. Got something else from Covergirl, their mascara. This is the Exhibitionist waterproof mascara. 4 out of 5 saw longer, thicker lashes, so it's for lengthening and thickening. We got more contact lenses. This is green. That's so cool. Love it. Love it. What's this? AirPods Pro case, but I don't have AirPods. 24-hour brow setter. This is cool. I was actually gonna buy this myself. Oh, this is the invisible one. I thought it only came with color tinted ones. Whoa, this is so cool. I love that they put this in there. What's this? From Bondi and Sons, the Australian Tan Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk Body Moisturizer. There's something here with Care Bears, and I don't know what it is. Don't know what it is. What are you? It's a conditioning hair color? It's a semi-permanent conditioning hair color that cares for your hair instead of damaging it. Got some Essie nail polish. This is a hand cream from Mercy Handy. Hand sanitizer from Mercy Handy. Unicorn edition. Oh, it's got little sparkles in it. Smells like candy. No? Okay. Probably because of the alcohol. Yeah, this is gonna make your hands shiny. That's cool. I'll use that. Micellar cleansing water. I have been wanting to try this because they're like advertising the heck out of this stuff. Got another nail polish from C&D. Wow, this is a very boring color. This is a lemonade smoothing scrub. Another exfoliant with AHA's lemon peel extract. Apply to wet skin and gently massage. I do hear Ole Henriksen is a good skincare brand. What's this? Casetify. Cleansing wet wipes to sanitize your phone. That's cute. What's this? Write your own story. Inspirational pencils by the Happiness Planner. Oh, that's cute. We have liquid magnetic eyeliner from Glamnetic. I'm excited to try this. Vitamin C from Handskin Glow Powder Cleanser. I do wish they put a lot more makeup in here, like eyeshadow palettes and stuff like that. They just ended up giving us a lot of skincare. I have tried one of these before. It's basically a cleanser, so it comes out like a powder, and then you foam it up in your hands with a little bit of water, and then you wash your face, and so it basically acts like an exfoliant and a cleanser. I like that. Got some Almay Goddess Gloss Lip Blossom Shiny Satin from Jill Stewart. Oh, it's in Japanese. It's so cute. It's made in Japan. It's a lipstick with rich color and brilliant reflective shine. Full and lustrous lips that feel as soft as petals. Whoa. That's so cute. Whoa. This looks so Japanesey too. Oh, that's so pretty. And a very universal shade. Look at this lipstick. Something from Adore Me, a metallic shadow stick. Interesting. That's nice. What do we have here? Anti-stress CBD drops. Apply drops directly after cleansing and toning twice daily. Calm and soothe. I guess it calms and soothes your skin. Okay, so we have a Color FX Illuminating Setting Spray. What does this one do? It adds a subtle glow. It's fast drying, alcohol free. Boosts the staying power of your makeup and finishes your look with a perfect lit from within glow. That's cool. Okay, we're almost done here. Got more dough patches. They should have given us lashes, not the patches. Ooh. Ooh, this is the Pharmacy Serum. I have heard good things about this. The Pharmacy I actually really like because I just tried one product from them and I just knew that this is a good brand. I'm so happy I got this. I was contemplating getting this too. This is the 4th serum that they gave us. And I like all of the serums, I just won't be able to use them. Ooh. I'm excited for this. Glamnetic gave us some lashes, so this is going to be my first pair of Glamnetic lashes. Jen M actually said these are really good lashes when I asked her. I just never got this or the eyeliner because they're crazy expensive. We've got some C&D Longwear top coat. That's cool. Ren Clean Skincare Clean Screen Mineral SPF 30. It's a mattifying sunscreen. Oh my god, this is so cool! Not everyone, but they've been like hella promoting this. This is the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen. Wow, I really wanted this too. Oh my god, that's so cool. Ah, I love it. It also has SPF 40 PA+++. Okay, now I have like 3 sunscreens. I went from having no sunscreen to now having 3 sunscreens. But anyways, this one's really cool because you just can't see it. It's like a see-through sunscreen. Most of my sunscreens have been that way. This is from Zitstica. It kind of sounds like a pimple thingy. This is a spot clarifying patch kit for the early stages of zits. More contact lenses, that's so cool. Contact lenses, colored contact lenses are pretty pricey. That's really awesome. I love that they put in those colored contacts. Wait a second. Laura Mercier Face Illuminator? Apply powder to high points of the face. It's a highlighter from Laura? Ooh, this packaging is nice. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow. Oh yeah, that looks so natural. I love it already. Just a few more. There's a lip balm. They always give us these things. So from Dermalogica, we've got Stress Positive Eye Lift. Ooh, Dermalogica is a really good brand. I'm actually supposed to be reviewing some of their products. It's a high performance eye treatment and mask. It energizes the skin to reduce visible signs of stress. Active Cooling Cream Gel minimizes the appearance of puffiness and dark circles, increases skin luminosity, lifts the eye area, and helps restore skin barrier integrity. You apply it around the eye area using cooling massage applicator, and then you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. You massage any excess product into skin or tissue off. I'm assuming this is the applicator. Oh, okay, I like that. I love this. This is the M Cosmetics lip cushion, and this is in the shade Venetian Rose. If you have watched my previous M Cosmetics videos, you know how much I freaking love this lip cushion. I do already have Venetian Rose. I also think it's the best color of the lip cushions, but I will be giving this away as a gift because I'm just so passionate about these lip cushions. I think everyone needs one. This is from Nude Sticks. We got a lip and cheek pencil in the color Soul. This is cool. That is it. And we've got a few cards in here. That's cute. We have a $10 gift card to 99 Ranch Market. Definitely gonna use that. Whoa, 1 year free of Epidemic Sound. This is the Still Life app, meditation for the rest of us. Do we get the, oh my god, we get 1 year free. My dog's like, what? That is so cool. Thank you so much. I love this. I love how this is just like so catered to beauty YouTubers. Future defining skincare made for you. Agency is custom skincare prescribed for you by a licensed dermatology provider. We're giving you a 3-month VIP subscription because Tomorrow Skin starts today. P.S. Get another 3 months on us. I love this. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I'm so touched that you guys incorporated this. Like, that's just something I wouldn't even think to really get for myself. Wow. That is so freaking worth it. At the end of this little haul, I do think that this is absolutely worth it, and it's definitely catered to people who are in the like beauty YouTube space or just anyone interested in beauty, especially if you're interested in skincare. I love how they incorporated like popular products in here. That means a lot. Usually goodie bags don't do that. So yeah, I think it's worth it. This stuff is, I just can't believe how much stuff is in here. It's crazy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my Rare Beauty Deluxe gift bag. If you're watching this, let me know, and if you got this, let me know if you got anything that you absolutely love in your deluxe gift bag. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!